outside of our building. The winds are blowing really hard right now. There are really no people on the street. They are, I think they're crazy. So we are advising everybody to go back inside and just wait for the next until tomorrow. Hopefully everybody is safe. Okay, and now back to Aislinn.
Well, thank you, Nicole. Well, as you see, the street is very empty.